Oh, look at these. They have some new dishware. I love this. Is definitely springtime. And look at these. I like this color. Very neutral. Love that. And look at the dishes. Home sweet home. I love these. And then they have the larger plates as well. Well, they're actually heavy duty. But they do have the dishware for the other set as well. And they do have bowls. More small plates. And then they also do have the oven mitts and the dish towels. And look, they even have, oh, I love that. You can mix and match those. I love that. The placemats. How cool. I'm so excited. Literally the first thing I'm seeing as soon as I walked into the Dollar Tree. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. So let's continue on and see what other goodies we can find. All right, guys, so let's see what's new in the makeup section. It's been a while, and, you know, I'm at a different location today than my normal stores, so I figured I'd definitely check them out. So the first thing I'm seeing are these little Be Pure. It says infused with rose oil. Those are new. And this is pressed face powder. Let's see. Ooh, what's this? Go from clear to unique lip color. Okay. And then these also look new. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of new items here. Oh, look at that. It is a oil pen. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, these are cute. Look at the packaging. Definitely nice for springtime. They're a little bit on the smaller side, but still nice to have. You can throw it in your purse. All right, let's see. Anything else? Ioni lashes, the little ones. And then they also have these that says glamour. Oh no, say Valentine's be mine. Valentine's just passed, so. Oh, and there's more over here. Fly Away by Be Pure. So definitely seeing a lot of Be Pure now. I haven't seen hard candy in a while, so I guess maybe that's the new brand that they're pushing. And then they also have these, which is the rainbow lip gloss. So again, lots of new items here at Dollar Tree. So exciting. This Kendall and Jenner, Kendall and Kylie bags. We've seen those before. So, oh, and look, they have the little eggs. Well, that's cute. All right, let's continue on and see what we can find. Oh, and look what they have. They have tons of new Ioni says Lash Garden. This is Everlasting Glue. And then they have tons of lashes. I love the packaging. I'm such a sucker for good packaging. And yeah, I'm not sure what the difference are between these. They all say 3D. But I definitely want to show these to you. Just to make sure if you guys see something that you like, so that way you know what to look for when you hit your local Dollar Tree. So again, here's all of them together. So excited. Let's continue on and see what other goodies we can find. Oh, these are too cute. I had to show these to you. Look at these. These are little eyeglass pouches. I love the little flowers. How cute are those? Let's see if there's any other ones. Oh, just the ones in black. Oh, actually, there's one in the pastel pink as well. Very cute. Yeah. Let's continue on and see what other goodies we can find. All right, so let's see. They have some new items as well. Look at these. They have the EcoGan toothbrushes. These look really nice, and for $1.25, I have to say that is definitely pretty cool, especially since it's the, you know, eco-friendly stuff. Normally stuff like that is a lot more expensive. They even have this body wash. It says a deep hydrating skin relief with natural shea and cocoa butters. And look, they have these little notepads. Keep the ocean blue, planet green, and the animals safe. Think green. Oh, and like, look at these cute little organizing things. It's made out of like cardboard. And oh, these are cute. Little pens. Again, these are the eco-friendly pens. Very nice. I think, oh yeah, these are actually really nice. And I love these little corkboard binder things. Now let's see, they have these little ring binders. Again, eco-friendly. So, and these are so cute. Like the little pastel colors, perfect for little Easter baskets if you want to throw that in. Oh, and look, if you want to remodel your home office, they have these adhesive cork boards. It says pad foam bottom. Very nice. And again, these are $1.25. Oh, and let's see. They even have some cool scissors. These are new. I haven't seen these before. All right, let's see what's over here. So excited to be out at Dollar Tree. Okay, some makeup. Oh, and you know summer is coming when Dollar Tree rolls out their chanclas. Look, they have these. This says good vibes. I can never find my size, although this might be. Oh yeah, it's my size, but they're the boring ones. I want the cool ones like these. But of course, these are for women. I'm like, man, need some fun ones too. Oh, damn it, you guys, it's women's. I would have totally gotten that for myself, but it's women's. The men only get the boring ones. What the heck? We like fun stuff too. But I like these. These are such a great item just to, have in your car if you decide to go to the pool, or just if you need, a little quick change. You can always throw them after. They're $1.25, so I don't think you're going to expect them to last the entire season, but if you just need something quick, these are so cute. Look at the little watermelon bag. But yeah, if you just need something quick, you can use those. So I'm so excited. All right, let's continue on with our walkthrough. Oh, and check out these cute little totes for the kiddos. And I'm thinking these would actually be cute for Easter if you want to do like a little Easter bag instead of an Easter basket. And then they have these for Avengers. I like this. And then they have the Disney Princess. I think these are the same. But how cute is that? And again, only $1.25. And let's see, there's more over here. These caught my eye. This one's right here. Look. See if I can. There we go. How nice is that? Like, you go shopping. This is giving me Pioneer Woman vibes, and they're pretty big. They don't have the little button there, but again, these are really good for if you want to go do compra, grocery shopping or whatever. If you want to hit up your Dollar Tree, really like these. Again, giving me Pioneer Woman vibes. All right, definitely noticing some new items over here. Oh, look at these. These are the personal care citrus love. It says hair and body mist. Ooh. And then they have this one by Bolero. It says glow hair perfume, Tourmaline rose. They have the cucumber mint and sea salt. Very fancy. Hair and body mist. Again, these are new. I have not seen these before. The beach rose and aloe, white tourmaline and orchid. And they also have the coconut water vanilla. Very nice. And let's see if there's any other ones over here. Texture and Balance Leave-On Conditioner Cream. And they also have the shampoo. This is 6.8 ounces. And this one is 5 fluid ounces. So, very exciting. And for the kiddos, they have the little body wash with Baby Yoda and Kanto. And look at this one. The Cabby's Dollhouse. I don't know. Yeah, these are definitely new. So, wait, there's more over here. So definitely noticing a lot of new items here at Dollar Tree. And these are perfect if you want to throw it into the kiddos' Easter baskets. Oh, and of course, Frozen. We can't forget Frozen. But yeah, these are all the ones that they have. And I absolutely love these. Again, perfect to throw into the kids' Easter baskets. Ooh, look at these. These are cute little frames. I like the little puzzle idea. And I also have it in the Tiffany blue. Look at that. Very cute for the kiddos' rooms. Or even you can probably just spray paint them and do different colors, just really to customize it. Oh, and these are new as well. These are like corkboard. They're not corkboard, but they look like that. Very nice. All right, let's continue on. I was excited to see what the goodies they have here at Dollar Tree. What is this? Oh, it's the little sign with the letters. That's cute. Welcome to our home. It has all the letters in the back. I haven't seen those. And what's up here? These are back. Oh my God. Love those. I haven't seen these in a while. And they brought them back. Okay, let me put them back. And look at these. You are exactly where you need to be. Wow, talk about a sign. Literally. And look, oh, these are cute. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's the little moon phases. Love that. And then check this one out. Wow, they have so many new things. I'm like obsessed with this. And be perfect just in time to remodel. Spread kindness, yes. Let's see. Ooh. Well, these are cool, a little funky, a little different. And let's see, laundry, sorting one load at a time. Oh, cute. And we'll hold up. Oh, I love that. Be happy, and has get the foil stamping. And let's see, home is where story begins. And oh, nice. Shoot for the goals. Hustle, hit, never quit. Cute. All right, let's continue. Oh wait, there's more down here. Oh, we're ready to move on. I'm like, oh my god, I love this one. It actually matches the Target dollar spot Easter stuff actually. So this is actually really nice. And let's see, yeah, more of these little hanging guys, and more of the little welcome signs with the letters on the back. Oh, I love these. These are also new. And then look at this one. I think we've seen this one before. I love these. These are so cute. And this remind me of the little, what are those little bubble things for wrapping? I'm like, I just want to pop them. And then look at these. These are so nice. I have to say, the quality for $1.25, it is mind-blowing. All right, let's see. Keep looking. I think I saw something. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. You guys, look. Oh, my God. Okay, I'm seriously freaking out. Look at these. They're so realistic. I love these. Oh, my God. And they have these little picks as well in green. They have the apples, the limes, and lemons. Wow, these are so nice. Oh my god, I have a feeling these are gonna sell so quick as soon as people find out that they have these. Oh my god, I am literally blown away at these. Look at the quality. They look so real. I'm like when grandmas used to put their fake fruits and stuff on the baskets in the dining room. That's what this reminds me of. Oh my god, these are so realistic, you guys. This is so funny. But yeah, hope you guys find them at your local store. I'm like literally blown away by this. So exciting. Total jackpot. Total jackpot. Oh, look at the little train. That's cute. And let's see what other items they have over here. Only little trinket trays. All right, let's keep looking. Everyone is so intrigued by what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna walk away. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, okay, so I think I saw these before, but I definitely want to show them to you again. They have the little beehive and the little ladybug. How adorable are these? Definitely have not seen these before, so very exciting. All right, let's continue on to see what the goodies we can find. Oh, and I know we've seen these already. These are so cute. Oh, we haven't seen this one. Oh, look at that with the little beads. I love that. And I think we've seen these, but definitely want to show you everything that I am seeing at my Dollar Tree. I'm so excited about those flowers and such. So definitely a good day to hit up Dollar Tree. All right, spring cleaning is here, and I love that they have all these new organizing bins. Look at these, you guys. $1.25. What? Look how deep they are. Like, I'm not exaggerating. I'm not being trying to sell you on Dollar Tree. I mean, I'm just literally surprised at how deep they are in the quality. Yeah, look at these, how big they are. $1.25. You cannot beat that. I know Target has something similar for a lot more. So, and they do have different various colors. The little spray bottles. So exciting. Let's see. Just quickly show you all the different colors they have. I like this one actually, but I am really excited about these baskets for some reason. I think this one is really my favorite. Oh, I love this sign. Home is the nicest place to be. Yes. And then look, they have these cute little bee signs. And then they've restocked the fairy garden stuff. I love these little, what you call it, like cupcake. I'm not even sure, but how adorable. And then they also have the regular gnome ones. So again, check out your local Dollar Tree because they are stocking up for spring. Oh, noticing some new signs. Look at these. They have the truck, which we've seen many times, but now they have these little easels, and then the castle, sand castle. And look at this sign, definitely new. Very exciting to see Dollar Tree rolling out some new items in the crafters section. So hopefully we continue to see more goodies like these. And let's check out the Easter stuff and see if there's anything new. And I think these are actually from last year's collection. This one for sure, I remember seeing this one. Happy Easter egg hunt. How cute. Oh, what are these? Oh, these are little egg holders. Very nice. And these, oh, these are new. Cute little baskets for $1.25. And let's see. Oh, these will belong here. As I put them back. And then they have these cute little cups. They have a little a little bunny, a little chick. And let's see, this one is little eggs. Very cute. And let's see. Oh, these are new. Look at these. Oh, that's cute. With the little, the little basket. That's adorable. And then they brought these back. I know these are always popular. Everyone loves these. The little candy dispensers. And it has this bunnies be hopping. Cute little eggs. And of course the chicks. Yeah, there's a lot of new Easter goodies. And I am so excited to see them and share them with you guys. So let's continue on and see what other new items they... Oh, these are definitely new. I haven't seen those. And oh, look at these. Spring Flower Farm. Hop this way. And then they'll have these as well. These are a little bit larger. Again, they're all $1.25. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's walkthrough here at Dollar Tree. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment or a like. It definitely helps the channel. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a great evening. And I will see you guys very soon. Stay blessed and full of savings. Ciao.